Hello friends, welcome to UGPG Mathematics. In this video, I am going to solve a problem from GATE exam. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Now let us solve the question. So the question is the expression x plus y minus modulus of x minus y divided by 2 is equal to. The options are the maximum of x and y, 1, the minimum of x and y, and none of the above. Now in such type of questions, you just note that we have x and y are real numbers. So the property of real numbers is it is order filled. So that means just either x is less than y or we have x is greater than y. That means one number is less than other or it is greater than the other number. So let us see the first case. So in case 1 we have x is less than y. So this means x minus y is less than 0 because x and y are any two real numbers and we have taken two cases. So in the first case x is less than y, that means x minus, because we want modulus of x minus y, so I am taking this as x minus y. Now this is x minus y is less than 0, that means its modulus x minus y by the property of modulus function, this is equal to minus of x minus y, because you just recall this since for the modulus of a where a is a real number, this is just equal to a where a is greater or equal 0, and this is equal to minus a where a is less than 0. Now for example, you take a as say minus 5, then your modulus of a is just modulus of minus 5, which is equal to, now see here, this a is minus 5 which is less than 0, correct? Because on the real lines minus 5 is to the left of 0. So this is just equal to, you take minus of a, that means you write minus and you write the number a as it is. So a is just minus 5. So it is 5 and it is greater than 0. So modulus is always greater than 0 and it depends on your a is less than 0 or it is greater than 0. And so you do for a is equal to 5, you will get modulus of a as just 5, which is just a, correct? Now this is the modulus, the property of modulus function. Now you just put the value of this in the above expression. So the above expression gives us this x plus y minus modulus of x minus y by 2 is just equal to x plus y minus of x minus y, correct? Because modulus of x minus y is just minus of x minus y divided by 2 as it is. Now this is equal to x plus y. You simplify it, this minus minus becomes plus x and minus y by 2. This is just 2x upon 2, just x, correct? Now also note that in this case, this x minus x is less than y means the minimum of x and y is just x, correct? Because x is to the left of y. So this is just a minimum of x and y. This is the notation, minimum of x, y is just x. So for x less than y, we have the case minimum of x and y. So this B option seems to be correct. Now similarly, you go for x is greater than y. Now for this case, when x is greater than y, so case 2, because we have two cases. for x greater than y, this implies x minus y is greater than 0. And now let us solve the expression x plus y minus modulus of x minus y divided by 2 is gives us x plus y minus, now this number is greater than 0, so its modulus is itself, because if a is greater equal 0, then the modulus of the number is just a. So you write this as just x minus y divided by 2. Now you simplify this, you will get 2y by 2, which is same as y. Now note that when x is greater than y is just a minimum of x and y. So this is equal to minimum of x and y. So in both the cases, we get the expression is same as minimum of x and y, and hence the option B is the correct option. Thank you.